In this video, we'll be showing you how to add a poll to your website. First, make sure you are logged in as an administrator. From your main navigation, select Admin and then Polls. On the Polls page, click the Add Polls button. Enter the question you'd like to ask in the question field. You can then add a description if you'd like to. This is optional. Enter the date you would like the poll to start and the date you would like it to end. You can add an image to go with your poll. This is also optional. Enter the relevant options. There can be up to 40. When you are done, click Add Poll. All polls can be found under your PTA from the main navigation under Polls. And that's it, you've now successfully added a poll to your website. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.